How to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. Unfriending all your Facebook friends at once is not something Facebook allows directly through their platform. There is no official remove all friends button, but if you are serious about doing this, then here is the easiest and safest way to go about it. First of all, open the Facebook app, then tap on the search address bar at the top right corner of your screen and search for the person you want to unfriend. Then simply go to their profile. Once you tap on their profile, then you will get to see friends option available there. Now simply tap on the friends option available there. And once you tap on the friends, you will get to see some options available. From there, tap on the unfriend option available there. And that is it. Repeat for each friends. It is time consuming but safe. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.